Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, the capture mode. So let's tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar here at the top if you've got this configuration, in the left upper corner if you've got that kind of configuration. So let's open the settings. So tap on the gear icon. Oh my god. Okay. And here we've got the camera settings. Here under we've got the video settings, so they are strictly connected with the video mode. And at the top we've got a video size for the back camera, so just tap on it. And in this device we've got three different options, so FHD, HD and SD. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option select use. I'll pick SD for example, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, and it basically means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.